It's amazing, Paul, the power that you have. You gave Kim Jones an assignment, and look, you've got it. She came through. It's amazing. Do you feel a lot cooler?
The problem is I don't feel it. It's not doing me any good at this point.
We have to, but first of all, we have to dip it in ice water.
Oh, this is going to be real good.
Dip it in ice water, Tony Pena said. This is lettuce. He used cabbage.
This
same
thing
effect.
right here works. Now this other thing
you
here.
can put this. You want to unbutton your shirt and put it in your shirt?
Not particularly.
You
know what though? I'd much rather have you ask me that than Michael, to tell you the truth.
You have no fear of me asking you that.
This thing's cold. This cabbage does absolutely nothing.
This is the umpire's cold pack, the one that's inspired by the military.
It's got a little home plate.
It does.
Kim,
It's
I'm dripping over here. Am I sweating or is that my cabbage?
Is that iceberg lettuce you got or romaine?
Michael, that's iceberg.
Okay, I'm sorry.
It's not a condiment. You should know this. So he has a zipper on his shirt, and I've not seen him do it because I've been running around looking for lettuce. But Bill Welke has a zipper on his shirt. He unzips it between innings and slides this between the chest protector and the chest to get cool. And then after the game, Michael, there is a vest also military inspired that Marty Foster wore last night and Welke will wear today after the game to help the body cool down. Yesterday, Marty Foster was offered an IV after the game. We saw how much he was sweating and, heat affected. He declined. I asked Welke today. He said in 2 seconds I would say yes to an IV if I need it after this game.
I'm amazed that you got O'Neill to put lettuce on his head.
I tried to figure out it's not working. But I tell you one thing: if Flip ever gives us like a task force, I got Kim Jones on my team. I've already drafted her.
Like an alliance.
It looks good right there too.
Yeah, that's nice.
It's got to be a big piece of lettuce.
I think it looks nicely, and you look cooler already.
It's almost like a rakish angle that you put it on too. It's got like a little tilt to it. I like it.